Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to download a PDF copy of a T4 slip on the Canada.ca website. Now, once you are here, go click on taxes. There we go. So under taxes, you're going to see on most requested, on the right-hand side, forms and publications. Click on this. It's going to bring us to this page right here. So under find the document you need, the first option says CRA form, so click that. And then here, you're going to have some options here. And if you type in T4 remuneration, it's going to be the first option here. It says here, statement of remuneration paid slip. Right, that's what we need, a slip. So click on this, like so. And here you can just download a fillable PDF or a standard print PDF, depending on what you want. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.